Hey everybody, welcome back to another video where today, oh my god. Anyway, hey everybody, welcome back to another video where today we are going to be playing some Geometry Dash Split. Now, select a character. We only have 4. Yeah, we're going to choose this one. Boom, boom. All we basically did is just make it the opposite, but whatever. And let's go. And let's play Stereo Madness. And this is a pretty rage game. I'm not that good at it, but whatever. Like, see? I only get 5%. Let's do this. Proceed where? No, let's go play. Yeah, that helps me out better. The progress bar. I need to concentrate. Every single time I die, guys, I'm gonna, like, okay. Next video, I might do a challenge where every single time I die, in this game, I have to, do something. As, a challenge. Like hot sauce or something. You guys tell me what. Or, like, an electricity type shock thing. My cat is meowing. What do you want, Alex? Guys, I will be right back. So hey everybody, yeah, I'm back. Oh great, I'm gonna sneeze. Watermelon. I feel like that actually helps because I don't need to sneeze anymore. Anyway, my cat is actually sleeping beside me right now, so I'm gonna try and keep it down. No. Sorry, Alex. Come on. You can do this. Come on, we're so close. No. Let's just keep trying. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. This is a catchy song. Now here's the part where I died a couple of minutes ago or somewhere around here. And zoom. Watermelon. It didn't work this time. Okay, yes it did. And then as I say that, I just sneeze. I feel the sneeze coming again. I might die. Oh no. No. I told you guys how to sneeze. Oh no. Oh. I am dying. Help me. Oh, okay, I'm back. And then I die. Oh no, it's coming again. Oh no. Don't you dare come back at me, sneeze. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. Floss, I mean watermelon. Pretzels. Watermelon. Cheesecake. Fromage. Pizza. Leaning Tower of Pizza. Oh no, it's gonna sneeze again. Guys, I can't do this. It's too hard. If you did enjoy, please do make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, down below what you guys would like me to do next, and I think I'm actually gonna try one more level before I leave. And it's gonna be this one. The very last level. One of the very last levels. Okay, I'm going good so far. It's my first time playing on this level. Please don't die. Yeah, I died. Let's keep trying this though. It's pretty easy. Okay, it's not that easy, but I'm a savage. I'm gonna keep trying. Come on. Here's the point where we died, or somewhere here. Wait, what? You were small. Oh, my cat just fell off the chair. Yeah, whatever. I used to have that game. I deleted it though. I was at like level 38. Okay, we got farther definitely. Oh, there's that coin. I'm not going to bother going for it though. Actually, you know what? I'll try. Should I try? Yes, I should. And I failed. But guys, watermelon pretzels, whatever. Anyway, if you did enjoy, please do make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys would like me to do next in the next video. Bye guys. Love you. Enjoy.